Sa letter there the mouse say apamono ko fabra ne nkan prove to us, bring that letter out. Revocation by no be my letter because appointment by my letter. I am daring you. If you say you are not corrupt and a criminal, bring that letter when you were sacked, publish it and let's see. Dennis Miracle Abuaje Kromfo, me say, I am daring you. Say because of corruption in your pamoa. Produce that revocation letter because if I were Juma, your pamoa, your letter. Let us read the letter. Let us read the letter. Now we are there. Why the to the India but not TV so say or no be kind politics na nkofo ntie no and now we me see Miracle Abuaje miracle what I say from miracles when you said the kotra na egu me see so we see enya krono nti ne pamo as an MC we kuapem nota provide revocation letter no so dismissal letter let us see what they wrote in it and I Akufo Addo no cut free office wo I am daring you. I want to say, or your cromfo into your pamo. Prove to us that you were not a thief into your pamo. Prove to Ghana for we want to see your credibility. Miracle Abuaje, show us your dismissal letter. Say Akufo Addo and Tro say you are corrupt. You have been involved in corruption. That's why you were sacked. Prove to us unto me, yeah. Oh, your cromfo. He should release the letter tonight. Now, Aqua when in TV, so I speak for Bawumia, and you know, and I'm saying, one was a buta. Oh, bodam. Oh, a bon. Professor, so oh, miracle. You smell like a thief. You smell like a thief. You have the smell of a thief. Prove to us that you are not a thief. Okay, I'm not saying you're a thief. Menka so ye now prove to us for a letter the prove church so we do mahama wanted that so akogina ekuro so ka say man to ama mentimi nyamo kwan onya kwasea wo do mahama wanted that so ba begina ade a onye so aye and ntina den NPP for to say do mahama nka no kure ogo kan wen because or a seasoned politician and integrity here no on tese Bawumia or pepa to no wedi no asa begina ka say no mu bon no on this Kennedy Agyapong or sorry a concert in Kwasiakeka any Edian in Kwaranyoma just say or you see Jimmy Kennedy has changed. Kennedy is a new person. Bema to me name different 119 Bema was sa Bema o to me the Bema to Mbabe 19 yem yasini omo be 20 catch us my sister and wajinedi. Yes, Kennedy has changed. Me show mo sa mo ayese mo nsa kwa Bema o tumini ema 19 wo ade chine oko dem ko baya o se meyi me bodwunti have changed into ohun oba foforo oni echire enti Kennedy say wa change akwa tumini ema 19 wo 21 now guy say I but Kennedy Agyapong there he has changed for the way atro no catch the first wife no what just atro na aba bedu the 19th wife and the Kennedy nam Ghana ne oba bi nam se ne yire no mimi hu ne da me na me say Kennedy yire ne satis osono ebesi ndam hu ne biem maami a na owo Shippers Council say Shippers Authority me hu Kennedy ono na Kennedy ka say o man nya sika sa maami ono na ka say na owo Kennedy wukuru chansi mu abrucha na oyedwuma of pharmaceutical company ono na bua Kennedy amane nya sika eye den na Kennedy president dia wakofa aye de alangadwo de nachi chese ye Jimmy ye ne ehu oba kokoda the same thing na NAPO ye okwo na sofu bi e dey anonte o good girl bi apempem say ware no e ho anoko ware no ono so didi mo so ma fa nyanka di machi e kom omu yem sa akotre utumu oba se ne yem sa akotre mo so ma ko fa nyanka di machi mo petumi inti mu de nyanka kire say ma abonze gisu nie atro Bawumia de ye twa ne bema zwansam ne otwa ne bema na sika ne atro ho atro incorporated Bawumia so ne atro on kanokore ne yire so free child Bawumia yire free child Samire onya Ghana ni o ono na be di second lady o tufa plane call India ekosra kunkumba jafo na wo the first lady man onu bi obeye me say Samire ono na di second lady a o tufa plane call India say okosra kunkumba jafo me say yes get me kunkumba ja otumi to free Ghana osesa ne nyoma gu suitcase mu eyi ne dross bobo ye edi gu suitcase mu oyi no abobo oyi dross no atwetwem no abobo na odi egu suitcase potomantom se okọ India kwakosra kunkum magia oba otumi so na padware ebobo the bodies ebobo the dross gu potomantom eyi makeups gum etum kokoro ese mundi mechina me nkosra kunkum magia yede first lady asma meka no ayese mo gima no esi bone oba otumi so na padware se oye second lady etumi bia potomantom na oche mu 4 na otumi dross obobo dross obobo edigu afa na waseyi another afa na oyiyi de brazil abobo egu nchen na weyi ntade ahyehye egu half owia waseyi makeup wacha bag ni mu 4 owia na weyi ade bi na de tum no wa lock ni say no aka tum na wode aso akatesie di nechi say yanko India adan a mekosa kunkumba Agyafo oye second lady o onya first lady ayo ade jago mo Ghana for na sometimes me dwum ho a ayese mo nya nipa na nkofo te Ghana Samira be first lady wetumi abobo dross egu bag mu de akọ India akọ sra kunkumba Agyafo o the first lady shey say wonu do be otu free Ghana etna play mu first class deshe say oh kunkumba Agyar sibia aya na rabi oye eye hakmin no ontiase enti Samira twa ticket say de ekọ kunkumba Agyar ontiase enti okọ mama chire ni mu asampa ni o Mrs. Get me the one they published on her own page Mrs. na aketesie asori anopa na police for dinechi yes madam kutokuta ne bag na ye bia VIP na tum na ye the private jet abesi ye the plane abesi wo first class na battalions dinechi na embofo twa salute yes madam thank you madam oh please madam you can sit down adan ya wabobo the dross egu bag mu ko India oni kunkumba Agyafo kohia adan ya ai na nse omu ye show na sibia bagie oni eye hakmi eye no onti ase into okobusem hey alaji go for the Jimmy when you look at this, you get so pissed off. She left Ghana and menowo ye taxpayers ye de bele ye. Ano timuno. Wakwa kokura kunkumba Agyar for them. Hey Samere. Inkofo we pa iti mo petumi no ene na mo de beye. What wakwa koje oso mo mana tade enhye ya mana tade ase. Wakwa kokura kunkumba Agyar for them. Ya ye duane amane di India for spices. Ana mo busan say Halmir ena translator general say Halmir consider Halmir ena ono kache translator say I came on behalf of Ghanaians. Asema Samira bien ano kai no. I came on behalf of owi no be post here meeting with some key members. Hey Radija go Samira madam. Shadi bi ono be tro on the page so kire we Samira when a person could be the president, do be the first lady. Or say, meeting with some key members of the Indian entertainment industry, exploring possibilities of collaboration to boost the budding movie industry in Ghana. Now, so a representative. Akwani was a tourism minister. Samira and composer vice or was a tourism minister because who tie the choice of words now or say meeting with some key members. Wakusha kukumba you share management, script writers, prop, makeup artists with share core key members. When nobody first lady be Samira pa pele meeting with some key members of the Indian entertainment industry, exploring possibilities. She's exploring possibilities. Why did you seek out for first class explore possibilities? India. Mr. P, get me a snippet of Aya Kunkumbadia. Some possibilities of collaboration to boost the budding movie industry in Ghana. Now your second lady Bawumia, your man security, your man allowance, your man per diem, with 2 free Ghana deshe. On the 18 to 20 hours, Adaya Okoshia Kunkumbadia for tourism minister. Samire, oh, you're dangerous. And she came to post this thing on her Instagram, on her Twitter, and the NPP way, they were making noise. This is our second lady. This is the incoming first. I'm saying, Fulani niwe pa Samire. Mr. P, can you help me? The question here is meeting way at the end of the break Ghana. Ask yourself how much money we spent. Samire kotina India by 5 days oh. Or sorry, na wadresse se kunkumbaja na odiomochi. Na omoko program ase. Na tese omo sade media personnel di Samire chi o. Omo de Flagstaff House Efa Media Joy News for kan ho say Bawumia can say money nko India. I'm telling you, they went to sleep in hotels to just go and film Samira meeting Kunkumbaja crew. These people today are working in Ghana. This is Samira.
Time for entertainment news here on Joy News today. Now, after she was lambasted for posing for a photo with actors in Adom TV's telenovela Kunkumbagia in India, wife of Ghana's Vice President Samira Bawumia has asked movie producers in Ghana to learn from their foreign counterparts. Commenting on the influx of foreign telenovelas on our screens, the second lady attributed the dominance of these films in our market to the ability of the foreign movie industries meeting the preferences of local consumers.
We have to ask ourselves is why the consumers prefer them. You know, why do they want to see those above the Ghanaian, offering? So we have to learn from their successes, what is making them exciting, what is making them interesting, and learn from them and improve upon what they're doing. We don't have to reinvent the wheel. I believe that, you learn from others who are doing well. So we should look at what they're doing, what the Ghanaian consumer wants, and give them what that. So really, it's a competitive market, but we also have to rise up to the occasion and know what our customers want, know what our viewers want, and give them just that.
This honorary response on my no. I got say Sikano. Obedru Ghana say, hey, I didn't question also. We don't know anything. We should tap into the knowledge of Kunkumbaja Samira. What first class mu di nipa be 10 dinechi. Obaya our psychiatrist say enim nyansa. We should tap into the Kunkumbaja knowledge. Kuma would avoid Jimmy. Gali would avoid Jimmy. Ono na nenie bi otumiko possibilities and the kind of knowledge we can gather from these people. We should tap into their knowledge. So she is the ambassador for Indian soap operas in Ghana. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. And we sat in Ghana, we all were quiet. And yes, so kwasi asem we so. And then Kofo we say, yes, mama ye to me, mo de to me ne ye den. Mr. P, Kunkumbaja, Mr. S, Kunkumbaja, a 1 minute piece. Mo de to me ne ye den. To me no mo pe some de ye den. Now a whole second lady. That time now Lord Mahamadu see hospitals around the nation. Now Samira and Nine said Bolega confirm we see you. So time no mo pay to me no Samira option na ho I say Bolega confirm. And okay can kwasi asem we see you. So time now Lordina Mahama Lordina Foundation see clinics hospitals around the nation. Now Samira emia ne duku said the ene kwaje peswa ewo Fanti New Town ekeka kwasi asem we see you Lordina AC hospital no na aketesia we we see you ya tam to minima no na no ahoro de to ordinary India ye nko tapid knowledge emfri kunkumba giamu. That is what Samira is telling us. And we sat, we watched, we didn't say anything, and we allowed these people to display the highest form of foolishness in Ghana. And I need a show more, and Uncle for your concert in and out. Your time to minimum, Jimmy sa. We got also Kevin did your matem. This woman took a Ghana for taxpayers' money, and the 2 coin call, or the 2 coin, or pay to me.
NDC flag, President Mama poster, NDC or more branding Ghana, the branding. Into the youth of this country, we are saying to the NDC that we see you all right. You want us to see you? We see you, but we see incompetence. We see you, but we see corruption. We see you, but we see mismanagement. We see you, but we see bad governance. We see you, but we want change. We see you, but we want Ghana to move forward.
Pasia Samon Kwa NPP. Remember Mjino. Omuhufula ni bada. Yes, on camera. Yeah, Jimmy NPP. Mwe Jimmy for tabain. Jimmy mo pakan hene. Mo NPP for. Mo Jimmy blue, winning blue. Abidjan blue. Mo Jimmy blue. Jimmy ni de say ye de asamo. Jimmy ye de afra esuruwisa, efom wisa kem ene eye sapo ene ye de asamo. Say mo bibia Jimmy, you don't understand anything. Shade. Shade kunu so. Ya da sorry ya. Ya say eye Mahamadu Bawumia say opachew. Eni ebusa Bawumia say opachew adie ho. O say we NPP we NPP as a party made a lot of mistakes in our governance. I'm begging you to forgive us. We are sincerely sorry. You're sorry for what? Very sorry. You are sorry for the This Bawumia. Let's listen to Bawumia. He says he's sorry. All right.
Ye tu abaye ye research ewie. Ye nimse aban ene ye party ye infomso. Ye infomso. Bebre ewo ye governance no mo. Niema wo ho a afise ye beye yanye ye mebi tu wo ho a ye ya anka ye hu from the background so a ye enti mejina ha ye nyina ha ye ka ho bi vice president, ministers, MPs, board chairman, appointees ye nyina ya ye from so pacho momfanche yen why momfanche ye nyina ye ya from so momfanche yen na yesua ye lessons nyame adom ena mo de franka ne hyemensa me be ye president embasabium
we ye di piatrog and number AS 4432B yem fan chewe ya ye we ya den na wo ye mo ye den enyem na mo gas mo ye dwuma che kwa menkroma besi jo mahama breso iti ade pa na mo ye den because mo sema ye dwuma che obi a one also the 33 policies by asesa Ghana ade na wontumi mbo ubobodi wentuma mbo Akufo Addo din ewom se Akufo Addo kwase ade ono ye no ade na wo ye. You can't just come stand in front of Ghanaians and tell them forgive us, we are sorry momfanche ye o ye den o goto mo na one man call for poison a D. Where we obi sika. What the 2 million eye nyawon say amana ubo tuo. Chire specific boni awaye onyankopon kura ko danim a upai uboni mu ka chire no. Onko jenka Nyankopon se we de nyame fa mbɔ ne kyeme. Kyire ne de wayɛ onyame mato mo na. Mo na to ne nye ene what 10 commandments. Into obegire ni say yemfa nchaw yemfa de na nchaw. Abozege edu say yemfa de na nchaw. You need to be specific. It's a big government because we were here when you Edu say Bawumia told us that aya from Kwame Nkrumah eba besi aya John Mahama aban so mo na maye adwuma pa aboa Ghana ene ade akyin a wo se yemfa nchaw ede na waye wato mo na makofo obi dendua koton ede na waye a wontumi nkama Ghana fo nte o pe franka wontumi nka bone so pe franka wo ma de fe franka Osefa cheme mon vancheye na mo de franka ni she uni ma de friend franka obi aka na wate bi obi aka na wate franka onka obone wo pe franka wo Bawumia wo se wo gina party de ni ma pa chew bone ben na mo ye ka kire you have time to find X and tell us bone amu nyina mo ye and you can't tell us bone no but yem fan chew ni eni bone a wo ye de na ye de chew Yeni ati ha yeni mboni a woyeye. So what to be power boni muka near the achew. You are too desperate. You look so sad to me. I feel pity for you because what at all do you need this power for? It hurts. No for being one kabemi ya me show say what TV swa. Because I didn't know why I'm so desperate and I can see deep down you and Kennedy Munyinano. A man they push him to do this. You don't even have the strength, the mental fortitude to do this. Muni sa energy no. A mo yire no mo di mo chi na mo push him. Samira is so aggressive. She needs power. And Kennedy Agyapong di chi no. They a man na ya musa because we can see through you people. You are light in thinking. You don't have what it takes to lead. The other guy is temperamental and you are a liar. How can we just hand over a country to such people? You are jokers. You are temperamental jokers. The two of you, Bawumia and Kennedy, you are temperamental jokers. One is temperamental, the other one is a joker. How do we hand over a nation to you? Tell us what you people have done. Pe munaka when ya body pound what you do. Ya buy na dollar no ha any bedru ha. Petro na wahani yedi bedru ha ya tira Ghana no ya galamsey ya chairman bubo so bonne so ne hu se ne yedi be chew didam mon vanchaye onka obone wo pe franka uhwinim ontumi nka obone o pe franka. You cannot be bold and speak about nyoma awaye boni awaye. You can't speak about your sins. But you want franca. Do you know what franca means? You need to be clean. You need to be seen as somebody who is honest. And so what to make uta franca. Now want to impon power boni munka o pe franca. Franca would go to toilet so actually say I hire no man's land and what the franca ne yeden. Franca. O kan san sem nyina wie no e na edichum beka chen say ono. Insan Bawumia kano nkwasi asema no.
One of the issues in one of the contenders or NPP primaries with the former Vice President Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia, and he said you make the point is communication any day a Kugu or 2024 about 20. He makes the point is more bemuya from so na some from so no and no be any opposition. And on behalf of more ministers, on one kasa, is apologizing to Ghanaians. Do you associate with that this apology or the man Ghana?
Okay, bro. Me momo dia, men come.
On apology no. One from Ghana for.
Me ba e wo musuamu e be ye adwuma Ghana for. 7 previous. Ghana for do na kasa do tedi chum bo ho mo ni. Ebi no kasa nke ni pa do ya de wo ye ya. Enti enfun so se wo ye adwuma de asa de e bia obeti obi na so na emu se ono ma vice president and wo economic management team se bibi wo ho no so pa Ghana for chewa me feel say wo secretary no ka ye esen say ministers nyina na me pa chew ama wo mu me mom de emumasuam me nka entume ho na so ye bi kwa ye fa so ye ya Ye Mo Ibrahim say number 2 ewo Africa. Baby e fe free e ni ko duru ho. Ni timi ka sem di Ghana fo wu. Enwo mesua ye ni Ghana fo wu. Ye juma din. E ma de Ghana fo wu hu bi no. Wo hu bi. Make a chiro. We could do airport, me na maponten. Obi timi ba mo no ka say Dr. Duchu. Na mi Isra. Ejuma ba ye ama o man Ghana. Nyame onhyira. Obi ka say me ma me pass ba yin twa foto am fa ho kire. Enam de abaye o nan. We could do nkwa onofin. Ko yi wo ho no method is aso there. Drew time yi.
Educhim say mon kan je ba obi aso abodam. Ono pa obi a chew. E on suma ba obi aso ko pa chew ba. NPP. Omo Jimmy brutal. Na oba omi a unya hu asantefo su ban, me nua no asantefo ni bi. Educhum so on super president di, on suma wo tedi se ko pa chew ba no. Because on obesom Ghana no wanyo obi abone. Ondi obi esika. Inteduchum meme asantini ba otufo onana ka vitela baba pia onana fa bo mechima me. Ako mienu. Miansa chancha hine na me da wo. Eye Educhum so no asantini ba o. Se bia Bawumia onti asante a. You see, a woman, any a yen, are two different things. Belonging to you or belonging to me and belonging to us. They are two different things. Introduce someone can't Bawumia so bodam. Ono educhum no on power be a chow. So Bawumia na kwari ko trebi na susu no da ya. On ka boni awaye. No ono educhum no on di boni. Ye dwudwam. Asama oka no. Ne nyansam na medwudwam mama NPP Bawumia supporters no. Also ya santini mapa. Bawumia be ono ni masantefo hu. Me see, uko shia santini o ya NPP ni. Na ushia wo 4. Na ushia santini ba ko ya NPP ni a. Ja wo wono ko bra ja life. Na mantama santini no. Mantama santini ni boduam. Ansa na ne wo wona kokko. Because a santini ba ko dangerous say cobra 4. Educhum say Bawumia be obodam. Ono educhum no. Offend obi ha. Obe education ministry wa ye ye. It is about the wedding kwasama on pen and one some non can asam no on the bon empire mano. Eh? Would you win party way? Bawumia will be too for what you Asante for party. Oh, Asante for Papa no Mokano Kreno. They will tell you the truth. Asante for my junior wolf see a dinu kre. Omunya by heart, dinu kreno. O mekano krena chero say, Bawumia dia wo ye no, ye krom for the bi. Omo no ade ento makoma su asantefo no mka no kura no mkoto abama endi say ye pempuntio obu o wa ote ya ane ho o se still a bon to said ye fried rice onim said ote ho ne nye e wa santeme bi hu bebre me no ka say edwadifo a ende abanti san ya musika sam ekoye e so mo ho enso ma bibi nya ke oba beba na hem abeka nkwasam e sana me nuano ma santefo ni bitie Educhuma chiro kales kakra. Udi unya nhushe Bawumia. Me say catch us snake and sons. Wo one in the ba. Sa anyum no wotia. Na eye asantefo nti na me boss anyum no. Me ni me mpa wo. Minister for local government. Ke o yama ya no. O policy. Yama da dia. What do you call it? I am saying that we are Daddy Bawumia, daddy Bawumia, papa Bawumia. Mesi give you Bawumia, let me give you freedom. Me go mo party no flat. Me nyanko activate second that. Me na first gear. Enti be person me ka bi chira Bawumia. the NPP now who know simple sano. Still, you don't understand the NPP. And you are still ignorant when it comes to NPP, how the party operates. What would you do to Maka? Or see or no, on Suma or Seko Patch or Mano. Asante Banono. You see the Jawane de Aswau. Or see, on Suma, una ye teni na wako your problema. Patch or Mano. Yeah? You can't please them. Mama can't tell Bawumia. Maybe you don't know the secrets. Minu anoma Sante Forno. Omumubi. You cannot. God couldn't even please them. Onyankopon could not even please them because edum pempen so be busa minyan ma Sante Forno be say mu free hin e bae. Omo a pie free form. They could not even give God credit that they were created by Onyankopon. So some people like that, they don't consider anything. Omo ntumi ma Onyankopon credit say ye wo ye. Omo say a pie omo free form. So naturally, some of them are ungrateful. Don't think, say, they hear more. This is a typical Asantini.
Also say, Sammy, me gina say, Sammy and easy for. Abraham and Pempem Kurasa me dear. Men quad, I mean, I'm not question after 2 days. Mother soon, the Peria the other. Bosom. Also say, Sammy, me gina say, Sammy and easy for. Abraham and Pempem Kurasa me dear. Men quad, I mean, I'm not question after 2 days. Mother soon, the Peria the other. Bosom.
This is but maybe I won't tiasie. Maybe I won't tiasie. You still don't understand it. You are still in there. You think wemo mini anu wembi enyo munyina. But sa group no 52, 53, 40 stay omono. The only idea biya. But me kind of correct about Bawumia NPP for I don't use every time. We mono you was 10,000. They cannot even recognize God. Nyankopon cry, they also be the more Nyankopon say, Onyame da was a boy, you know, or see a tuni free form, or Becca so free baby na bind, or Becca just so tuni free form. That is how ungrateful some of them are. And it hurts when I say these things, but this is the truth. No credit makachiro no. Educhum say on kanche also ko pacho mano, inti kawano pado. Kamanu tum ne bawon toa. No no asantini educhum no on sra mutani say beden bra na beden na beden be pacha o mano because ono obeso MPP no o say ono no onye bone. Now me yanko enim team, I have something to deal with. Mahamadu Bawumia etufo a wonte wo de unim nkofo we. Now ha there NPP for say NPP sets up committee to monitor and regulate the conduct of presidential aspirants, their teams, and supporters ahead of the January 31st, 2026 primaries. This is the first time Mati say party say omobabe ti committee omobabe monitor party mujimi ansani yakotoaba eyi penyine di enim. Yesi ye beti committee Omobe monitor Jimmy. Hey, this is the party of the opposition. Party ni say, Omoba beti ekua, Omobe he Jimmy so. They are going to monitor foolishness. Send ye beya, sa prime is no kono. Because sa party no, enye Jimmy na adokro party na. Head na party ni tina say yenti committee ya, Omobe he Jimmy so. Aspirants omo Jimmy, supporters omo Jimmy, any party munipa omo Jimmy. The party is justifying the ekandebia. Because when there's no problem, nobody calls Jesus. Problem not day, why they call Jesus? Until problem comes, before you go call Jesus. Party na tina say, so man ti kuwa, Omobe he Jimmy so, abrabra Jimmy so. Send be a party nsin ntoma go fun bontinia. Party ni be blasted. Partner identify foolishness as its hallmark. And they are not just monitoring foolishness. Almost see Omobe Jimmy so, and not just party communicators and our supporters. Even aspirants no crampo, say be a Jimmy. Enti ya de eya ekuo bi e ba omo be hwe omo no kasa. Me say when there's no problem, you don't call Jesus. You only call Jesus when there's a problem. Party we say, party no mwe Jimmy from Nkwara mukosi mpenifuo mu. How can a party put together a task force against Jimmy? This is technically a task force against Jimmy. Jimmy mu task force. Sibia Ghana for yawo anti-galamsey task force no. Yawo NPP Jimmy mu anti-Jimmy task force wo NPP mu. Ene no mate no. Na NEC no adia. What is the NEC for? National Executive Council no adia. The party is recognized. Say the party has no leadership. The National Executive Council no Jimmy Chen. So today, what they have to do? They have lost all hope. Yampe committee or Jimmy so anti-Jimmy task force the NPP for party way na mimi Bawumia campaign more power. Party that sees its flag bearer aspirant as foolish, as stupid, as people who cannot keep their mouth shut, people who cannot do decent politics. Party supporters of respective aspirants cannot be tamed. This is an animal's kingdom. This is an animal's farm. This cannot be considered as a party that's in waiting to take power. When we Jimmy, answer. Babeno. Mekano mubofu. Amukotena TV so Kevin Taylor. Mesumidin kan ka kiremo in 2024 say I will rule the NPP for 42 years. Nobody in the NPP can sit on TV or radio. Even their fellow tribal stupid fools sitting on show-based programs. You cannot do a show without mentioning me. I control the NPP. Mese machechira to so obi ana adwene yedwon dia meka. Ma bompa na machechira to so na dia to sikejwa kofi nchen. Do ye be ma no mefa. And I'm just said that form. Most of the 10 years and the NDC about power. Me MPP ni obisun for 10 years for MPP bra power ni enhwe. There's something about what I did. And what I did was that I backed every single thing I said with facts. It is a party did say Kevin tell the 10 years the NDC about power and the party for 10 years for MPP bra power ni enhwe. You people are foolish. You are stupid. Mwejimi. Me to the 3 months, I can change the face of MPP. Me echo. The party has no leadership. Jimmy say Dennis Miracle Abwaji. What is about this guy? Abemo Biaka say me tie boy we pa me pese me to my MPP. Me pese me Sam Adwene. What is interesting about him? What is interesting about that thing? The one say pattern. What is interesting about him? This guy led Bawumia. For Bawumia to lose almost 1.8 million votes. Even when Bawumia was losing elections, now Kwasia went to TV so say we don't win elections on Facebook. Go and see. The guy was losing the elections. Every single week, now Dennis Abwaji check to go do press conference. Oh, we are going. This guy was just taking the money. And people were following him. But Onimisa Bawumia is ignorant. Onimisa party ne Jimmy. And this is how he's making money because Bawumia is David Abwaje's cash cow. Dennis Abwaje, the cash cow ne Bawumia. Who was he before he met Bawumia? He was nothing. But he capitalized on Bawumia's ignorance and the people around Bawumia because they are daft. What he's doing is he's still doing the 442 formation now. The Bawumia bar 1.8, And I can tell you on authority, Mahamadu Bawumia is going to win the primaries. He will not cross the Onyai last time. Yeah. And it's because these foolish boys. He'll be say Kofi Fosun cancer. When a nimsa war. Kwasia sanu to me by any horse or beton Kennedy Amaye. Now me start investigative journalism. Now Ofosun cancer who fi na way. Oti a nip ebo jantra who Ofosun cancer. Kofi Fosun cancer. Nipa fibi now enya politics ka oti penny Kennedy. Kofi Fosun cancer. Enya politics na yefo. And your politics na tire. And your Kennedy nana aveli no ho. Ema nyome bi ani senko ye oye ya. Na nkenya politics na say ya. And kayede na wo for soon cancer to me by yenye inbox me say you have debt on Kennedy. Oh they brege wo. A dirty man like you wo. Me say dia me de ba no. Party no mechi wachimumu. Wo party no mechimu no mahataw. And it hurts because you see these boys, dirty boys. See how the NPP has sunk low. They go on TV and radio, they have no message. They have nothing. For 8 months, 9 months, they've not been able to entice anybody. They've not been able to bring anybody on board and say, Yenimunyan Sampo. These are fools. They are real people. The last time I was listening to Sammy Crab, the former secretary or whatever, and you listen to him, the knowledge. When I listen to Afoko, and I'm like, how did these people end up with these small, tiny animals? These are termites. Picking fights, unnecessary, small, dirty things. I'm like, how do you win elections like that? These are traitors. These boys are traitors. They are hungry lizards. Kofi Ofosun cancer cause standing on one chrome. Nema ame wo no ho. Almost so a Jimmy for pamono. How can this guy follow you for you to win elections? Kofi Ofosun cancer. Ni chrome before bonu tutu. Almost in the nimsa wo. They did not give him power. So that time cannot NAPO. He was making money. He could not win parliamentary seats. Prime Minister went to win. Now, Kwasia we no akota na betra. I say I support Bawumia. The perfume is a dirty fool. And so they see Bawumia as a cash cow. Miracle Abuajimono. Bawumia a cash cow because you know something. Miracle Abuaji obey DC me pamono. Only track record. Go and check his track record. Yeah, in DC ya pamono. Because of what? Mumusana ntinya pamono. Ne ho bon eri. Ne ho bon eri, ne ho bon krono. Why was he sacked as a DC? Mumusa Miracle Abuaji. Why did they sack him as a DC? Ne ho bon eri. Ne ho bon binini wi. Ne ho bon binini wi. Eri ni ebini. Ne ho bon eri. Such a person does not have any credibility to come and clean Bawumia. Ain't Bawumia too is ignorant, very ignorant. And I am Yama Bawumia. Very ignorant. And this little termite in a party. And the Ujna NPP anima Berman Pomboni Ding. So where you can't even get one. You can't even get a single person who say, wait dear, he looks respectable. I cannot even use some words against him. See what they are doing on social media. Dirty, childish, Jimmy. Like, you ask yourself, say, how did these people end up as people leading Bawumia's campaign? Now, let me show you something. He was sacked. Dennis Abuaje, your permanent DC. Yeah. How can that make somebody president? Mumbuzan said, what made them sack him? Corruption. Sikedie. Kwabena Basa. Na basa se ho, na basa sa so. Sikedie. Into ono onyaw, otise lich. Otise sonson, otise gogome. Se obetare wo ho a. Onfiri wo ho no, onsibi a wafon aye. On he knows how to suck you dry. Abuaje ne life no. Into han ani a. Ode Bawumia and a cash cow. Oh boss, you know. So we are doing well. We need something small to start press conference. Oh, when we go to Asafo. Now, Bawumia nim the echo. It's a whole communications director for Bawumia. Or say I can't pay. Akana pay. Dennis Miracle Abuaji, Akufo Addo pamono for corruption into a pamono. So ye pamono from mu no ye DC Dennis Abuaji, Miracle Abuaji mumbusano. Now this guy will sit on TV say obeka politics. That's him. Amansia West, Amansia North. Akufo Addo sacks Amansia South, Equiapem North DCs. Nominate replacement. Ya pamo Abuaji mumbusano. 2020. Ya pamo Miracle Abuaji DC. Corruption in tea. He thinks to say, oh, say, Onimsa Bawumia mwe Jimmy. now Bawumia was say krano. If you want to get somebody to speak for you, get somebody who does not have anything like corruption attached to them. Somebody who can boldly sit on TV and say, you know something, you cannot tell me I'm corrupt. You cannot tell me I did a job that I did not really convince my employer. You cannot tell me I'm not competent. Abuaje is incompetent. He was sacked. The guy has no credibility. The guy does not look intelligent. This boy, Mumusano. And today, a whole Bawumia, your campaign is being led by an incompetent imposter, an incompetent liar like you. How can this guy give you power? Na Jimmy we sorry, I can pay. Go okasa na no se Hausa for cap na ye de twen sala no. Oh ox you do mohom me say ni Jimmy. When did you to me? Me wa han when are you to me? You people should put things into consideration. Obi Kano. You sit down as I am Bawumia. Okay. I want to. Ye ne diwie no. There is a boache. Ye pe obi corrupt politician. Hey, mamencho. Akufo Addo pam ni wie no. En ye busa an say na say wo kura no krono ntie Akufo Addo pam o say you know something, my revocation of my appointment as a Kwabena not MC strategic. NPP needed my services. Wait. Akufo Addo pam no say na the sack near strategic. Well, could we see Akufo Addo so too corruption? Get out of there, dirty boy. Oh, pam say we. They sacked him like a thief. Akufo Addo pam to say we. Get out from the office, dirty boy. You are sitting at Kwabena North. You are doing dealings. You young boy, greedy boy. You are stealing from me. Akufo Addo, I say sack that thing from the office. You permanent sakuko. Now, Bawumia strategically, instead of you to go get somebody or reputation kakra, somebody with a little bit of reputation. Obi hu no be fari nanim. Wait. Now, nothing is a buta. Oh, we'll tell you. Do you want to understand? Let me tell you. You know this boy. They say, share wait. Oh yeah, political ex-convict. Ya children ya pamono. Nipa bebre nim akwa we record. I see a pamono because it was strategic. Whoa, a good for the pamo because of strategy. A good for the pamo was a strategy. Your sacking it was you know, my revocation of my appointment. Sacking of you, I'll say revocation of my appointment. Now, a dear moral right now, we also turn TV so say, and away and ye, what could Bokrono may apam with your office. Tell us why you were sacked. Or say strategic. Sir, letter there the mouse say apamono kofa brani and kanjiro. Prove to us. Bring that letter out. Revocation by no. Letter because appointment by my letter. I am daring you. If you say you are not corrupt and a criminal, bring that letter when you were sacked. Publish it and let's see. Dennis Miracle Abuaje Kromfo. Me say, I am daring you. Say because of corruption in your pamoa. Produce that revocation letter because if I were Juma, your pamoa, your letter. Let us read the letter. Let us read the letter. Now we are there. Why the to the India but not TV so say or no be kind politics na nkofo ntie no and na we ye me see Miracle Abuaje miracle what I say from miracles when you say the kotra na egu o me see so we see enya krono nti ne pamo as an MC e Kwabena North provide revocation letter no so dismissal letter. Let us see what they wrote in it and I go for the town of free office. I am daring you. I want to say, or your cromfo into your pamono. Prove to us that you were not a thief into your pamon. Prove to Ghana for. We want to see your credibility. Miracle Abuaje, show us your dismissal letter. Say Akufo Addo and Tro say you are corrupt. You have been involved in corruption. That's why you were sacked. Prove to us unto me nye. Oh ye for. He should release the letter tonight. Now Akwa when in TV, so I speak for Bawumia, and you know, and you say one was a buta. Oh bodam. Oh we. Oh bon we. Oh bon we. Oh a bon we. Prove say as we. Oh miracle. Oh bon we. Oh bon we. You smell like a thief. You smell like a thief. You have the smell of a thief. Prove to us that you are not a thief. Okay, I'm not saying you're a thief. Menka so ye. Now prove to us for a letter to prove to so we. Give us the dismissal letter. I am daring you. I want to prove to Ghana for say you were sacked because of corruption. You were sacked because of thievery. You were sacked because you stole from the taxpayer. You miracle Abuja. I am saying authority can go to any court. Prove to us your dismissal letter. See, I'm on dismissal letter. What's say case? A filthy thief like this. Okay, unyewi. Okay, miracle unyewi. Prove to us, say, show us the letter. Show us. My own show credibility. And send otchere TV. So, bring the letter out, miracle. Prove it. We are saying, I say, what are Samira Bawumia? Bring your letter out. Bring it. Dismissal letter. Let us see. Any dirty person can sit on TV and speak today. You scrutinize him. Prove to us until you show us the letter. I will call you a thief. Miracle. Until you bring out that letter. I'm sure to Ghanaians that I was dismissed because it was strategic in the letter. Let us see your dismissal letter. Until you, miracle, you provide to the media your dismissal letter while you were sacked as the MCE of Ekuapem North, I will see you as a thief. Until you produce that letter. The day you produce that letter, I will never see you as a thief again. Produce that dismissal letter. Nanado cried to me, Pamodi. I saw you dying. If Nanado, or no, the whole world, you probably our bomba, Akufo Addo to me sacco. Akufo Addo need certificate. Akufo Addo drag addict to me sacco there. And the one gets a war problem. Now was serious problem. Say Akufo Addo a sacco. It's a sacco because Akufo Addo he represents sack. Akufo Addo he represents failure. And it's a failure a sacco. Maybe my thing to you is simple. I'm going to take you on from today. Prove to Ghana for say unyewi. Because from what I know, say Hopeson prove say unyewi, you show us your dismissal letter. And the information I'm picking was that you were involved in serious malpractice, corruption related issues. The president caught you and he sacked you. If you want to prove me wrong, say Adentina Mifre will show us the letter. You are a thief until you show us that letter. Until you show Ghana that a dismissal letter. You are a thief. A to sell what TV so can kwasi asem. Show us. Bawumia na we jimintra no jimi to sell obedi nanim. Bawumia. Nanko is smarter. Why should he allow somebody like you who is engulfed in corruption to lead his communication? Now, my mention my debu adi nkuyenim. When a failure sacks a failure, are you ready? Akufo Addo is a failure, and you allow Akufo Addo who is a failure to sack you. Hey, and you only life. You dying be crying now.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.